Come to Big Brand Tire and Service and get exactly what you want, guaranteed. We're open Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Remember, at Big Brand Tire and Service, we do more than just sell tires. We also do free flat tire repairs, free alignment checks, and much more. Our knowledgeable staff at any of our 16 convenient locations, as well as our online services, are there to help you. Choose from among our big inventory of products, including specialty items for your sports utility vehicle. So make plans to visit Big Brand Tire and Service or go to BigBrandTire.com soon. We're the tire store that's online and in town. We appreciate your business.